Hi, my name is William Fisher. Today we're going to talk about how to hide formulas in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You may have unique formulas that you just don't want some eyes to see. We're going to show you how to hide them. We see that we have a formula now, A plus B1, and we're going to select each one of the cells in the C column, highlight them, right mouse click on the columns, on the column C and format cells. You see that you have the lock and hidden options. We're going to actually select them again. They won't be enabled until you actually click OK, and then you would have to go to protect sheet. You see the formulas are still there. Protect the sheet, it asks you for a password, and you see that I still have the column C selected, but you do not see a formula. You get an error message because you're trying to change the formula when there's no formula there. So I'm selecting each cell here so you can see that the formulas are hidden.